Natural Travel Agency Chaguaní. Travel Itinerary. Introduction of the place. Chaguaní is a Colombian municipality located in the province of Magdalena, with two places essential for to visit the lookout, the Lastón Capira, the Corcel Blanco to have a guide, a horse, and activity the free air. We recommend to know the far the Polonia, the shire of Lord of the Heal the Temple Parish, the George All, and the reserve ecological of Park of Cera located in the Path Montefrio. In the as to come to make ecological hikes, hikings, the ports, sittings, specials, and photographies. The climate. In Chaguaní, the summer are short and have the winter are short comfortable and snow and this cloudy during all year. The weather's age for to visit for activities time world are since the half of June until start of September and until finally of December until half of January. Duration of the trip. During the 4 at least 3 days and 2 nights to visit 3 places Montefrio Path. Visit the lookout of Stone Capira to visit Corcel Blanco. Means of transportation in bus, Flota Águila. Activities to do. You recommend to visit the place the Path Montefrio is a natural reserve of Serapar in Chaguaní, Cundinamarca. Accommodation, hotel, Mirador of the Esperanza. You to get the Olímpica with 16 a.m. to find 30 a.m. in the bus place. You to Monk's Curry Lines clothing is swing shirts, tennis, flips, towels, jeans, trekking boots, swimsuit, sunscreens, t-shirt, waterproof jacket, and cleaning stuff. The first day, the London Montefrio Path. First activity, breakfast. Food menu, eggs, bread, chocolate. And second option is changua and coffee. And 3 option is tamale and black coffee. And 4 option is soup of potato. Manual use objects and clothing. Blues, t-shirt, swim shirts, jeans, and tennis. As children is 8 a.m. at 9:30 a.m. 2 activity is high the ecological reserve Serapa. Food menu is a snack bulletin of waiters and sandwich. Manual use objects and clothing is waterproof jackets, drinking books, swim shirts, t-shirts. Schedule is 9:40 a.m. to 10:30 a.m. The 4 activities take photos. Manual use objects is cellular or camera. The children is 10:40 a.m. at 11 a.m. Return the town Chaguaní. The fine activity to go shopping or to buy touristing things. The schedule is 12 p.m. and 12:30 p.m. Activity 6 is lunch. Food menu, rice, salad with onion and tomato, rice meat and patacones. Schedule is 12:30 p.m. at 1:30 p.m. The 7th activity to visit the church, the Lord of Fallen, and the router for the tomb. Schedule is 1:14 p.m. at 4 p.m. Final activity, return to hotel. Schedule is 5:30 p.m. at 6 p.m. The second activity is the visit the lookout of Stone Capira. First activity is breakfast. Food menu, food menu eggs, bread, and chocolate. Second option is changua and coffee, and three option is tamal and black coffee, and four option is soup of potato. Manual use object and clothing is blues, t-shirt, sweatshirt, jeans, and tennis. Student is 8 a.m. and 9:30 a.m. the second day. The second activity is as an lookout. Food menu, snack, palette of waiter, sandwich. Manual use object and clothing. Waterproof jacket, trekking boots, swim shirts, t-shirt. Schedule is 9:40 a.m. at 10:13 a.m. And three activity is take photos. Manual use object is cellular or camera. Student is 10:40 a.m. and 11 a.m. The fourth activity contemplates since the lookout of Stone Capira, the right Magdalena and Ruiz Snow. The schedule is 11:10 a.m. and 11:14 a.m. Return the town Chawani is 5 activity to go shopping or the buy touristing things. The schedule is 12 p.m. and 12:30 p.m. The sixth activity lunch. The food menu is rice, salad with onion and tomato, roast meat, patacones, and second option is rice salad with carrot and tomato and free and bread. The schedule is the 12:30 p.m. and 1:30 p.m. The seventh activity is swimming pool. Manual and clothing is swimsuit. The schedule is 10 p.m. and 4 p.m. Final activity, return hotel. Schedule is 4 p.m. 4:30 p.m. at 6 p.m. Day to visit Corcel Blanco. Activity. The first activity, breakfast. Food menu, eggs, bread, and chocolate. The second option is changua and coffee. The third option is tamal and black coffee. And the fourth option is soup of potato. Manual use object and clothing is blues, t-shirt, sweatshirt, jeans, and tennis. Student is 8 a.m. to 9:30 a.m. The second activity is ascent to visit Corcel Blanco. Manual use clothing is t-shirt, jeans, and tennis. The student is 9:40 a.m. at 10:30 a.m. Outdoor activities animals. The three activities. Children is 10, 4, and the fine activities is guide horse tricks. The schedule is 11:10 a.m. at 11:50 p.m. Return restaurant Corcel Blanco. To go shopping or to buy touristy things. Student is the 11 and 12 p.m. and 12:30 p.m. The 6 activity lunch. The food menu is rice, salad with onion and tomato, and grilled chicken breasts. The children is the 12:30 p.m. at 1:30 p.m. And the second food menu is rice, salad with carrot and tomato, and salting potato mindset. The show is 12:30 p.m. at 1:30 p.m. The 7 activity is housing show. The shoulder 2 p.m. at 4 p.m. Finally activity return to bus Bogota. The shoulder 4:30 p.m. at 6 p.m. Costs. The cost for the tours Bacon are promoting is the fine. Our promotion team is 500,000 cup. Therefore, at least 3 days and 2 nights to visit 3 places: Montefrio Path, visit the lookout of Stone Capira, to visit Coxer Blanco. Thank you.